Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching on airplane mode to meet flight rules, then immediately re-enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You do this because airplane mode only cuts radios. Reactivating Wi-Fi restores network access without cellular. Next, open Wi-Fi settings and scan for onboard or local hotspots. Once done, pick the airline network or personal hotspot name. Make sure device battery is sufficient and that VPN settings are off until you connect. This minimizes connection failures and speeds up. Once connected to the airplane's Wi-Fi SSID, open your browser to trigger the captive portal. This is where authentication happens. You'll often accept terms, enter seat number, frequent flyer info, or complete a purchase. If sign installs, clear browser cache or try a different browser app. Make sure to complete portal steps before turning on VPN or secure shells because encrypted sessions can block the portal. Also configure DNS to automatic. Manual DNS can break portal redirection. To finish, optimize. Restrict background sync, lower stream resolution, and use compression or text-only modes to stay within caps and reduce latency. If connectivity fails, toggle airplane mode off then on, forget the network and reconnect, or restart the device to clear stuck captive portal states. When billing or authentication errors persist, note the error code and contact onboard crew or the airline help desk. They can reset sessions. Finally, re-enable VPN after portal login to restore encrypted browsing if you need privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.